In a lush forest, a wide river flowed steadily. Within its waters lived an aging crocodile, too frail to hunt as he once did. One day his stomach growled fiercely. He thought to himself, venturing onto land is too tough now. I'll try catching fish right here in the river. Starving and desperate, he attempted to snag a fish, but it wriggled free from his grasp. Exhausted and disheartened, he settled beneath a tree by the riverbank to rest. Perched on a branch above was a monkey, munching on juicy fruits. Spotting him, the crocodile called out, "Kind monkey, what are you eating? Could you spare some?" "I'm famished." "These are sweet fruits," the monkey replied. "Here, try some." The crocodile savored the treat. "Oh, they're delicious. Thank you, my rescuer. I was starving and you've been so generous. I'd be lucky to have a friend like you." "Absolutely, we're friends now," the monkey said warmly. "I live in this tree. Whenever you're hungry, come by and I'll share the tastiest fruits I find." From then on, the crocodile visited daily and the monkey shared his fruits. They enjoyed each other's company, growing close. Their friendship blossomed. Sometimes the crocodile lingered by the tree to chat, and other times the monkey rode on his back, exploring the river. One day, the crocodile said, "Friend, my wife would love to try these fruits. Could you spare some for her?" "Of course," the monkey replied, eagerly picking a handful of fruits. The crocodile carried them across the river to his wife. "Look, my love," he said, "these sweet fruits are from my friend, the monkey." She tasted them and exclaimed, "These are delightful. But dear, how long will you live on fruits alone? If these are so sweet, imagine how tasty that monkey must be." "He's kind and shares his food," the crocodile said. "I bet his heart is even sweeter," she mused. "I haven't had meat in ages. Bring me his heart." The crocodile was torn. "He's my friend. He fed me when I was starving. How can I betray him? If I take his heart, he'll die." "I don't care," his wife insisted. "Get me his heart, or I'll end my life." Helpless, the crocodile swam back to the monkey. "Dear friend," he called, "my wife loved the fruits and invites you for a meal at our home. Come with me." "How kind of her," the monkey said. "Let's go." As they journeyed across the river, the monkey asked, "What's your wife cooking for us?" "She knows you love bananas," the crocodile replied. "She's baking fresh banana bread and sweet pastries just for you." "Sounds like a feast," the monkey said, excited. But seeing his friend's joy, the crocodile's guilt grew. He couldn't hide the truth. "Monkey, I must confess. My wife wants to eat your heart. If she doesn't, she says she'll die. Please forgive me." The clever monkey thought quickly. "Oh, I see. Why didn't you say so? We monkeys store our hearts in trees for safekeeping. We'll need to go back to get mine." "Foolish me," the crocodile groaned. "Let's hurry back before my wife gets angry." He swam the monkey back to the tree. As soon as they reached it, the monkey leapt off and scrambled up the branches. "You foolish crocodile!" he shouted. "Who can live without their heart? I fed you as a friend, and you planned to betray me. You'll get neither my heart nor my fruits. Leave!" With his quick thinking, the monkey saved himself. The crocodile, through his folly, lost both a loyal friend and those sweet fruits. So children, what did you think of this tale? Can anyone share its lesson? The moral is, in times of danger, stay calm and think cleverly, like the monkey. And never betray someone's trust, or you may lose everything, like the crocodile.